This is how you can reset the keyboard on iPhone. So you open up the settings like this, and as you are on the main page, I want you to go to the section below, which is called the General, and at the bottom of this you can go to the Transfer or Reset iPhone. And when you go there, you can click on Reset like this, and there are plenty of different things you can reset. So you can reset the keyboard dictionary or the handwriting style, which are like the two most common ways you can reset the keyboard related stuff, right? Or you can also click on Reset All Settings, which will apply to every single setting of your phone, including the keyboard. So these are the options we have. However, you can also return to the General and click on a keyboard in there, and you have the ability to essentially make sure you remove, like click on edit and remove all of the languages you want and just re-add the keyboard again. So for example, I could delete the English US like that, and now I would add it once again and it would be kind of reset, right? So as you can see, whatever was selected here before kind of like starts from fresh, and it gives it a nice start, right? I'm gonna bring it back up once again, and now the language is kind of reset. So these are the options which we have available. Let me know in the comments below what you have decided to go with. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.